Hey guys, let's see how you can connect your laptop to 3 different monitors. As you can see here, I'm using a docking station. That's the TobenOne. That's the brand. I've been using this for a while and works pretty fine. Basically, you just need to bring the cables from the monitors. So I have 3 HDMI cables coming to the docking station, and then the docking station is connected here to my laptop via a USB-C cable. Super simple. Just one cable connecting to the docking station, and you're good to go as long as you have HDMI monitors or also DisplayPort monitors, okay? This docking station is for 4 monitors. So I have 3 here, but I have an extra port that I can connect to another monitor. So basically I can have 3 plus 1 here on the laptop itself, total of 4, or I can have 4 plus 1, a total of 5 monitors. It's up to you the way you have to use, you want to use. Some people like just to close the lid here and use just the external monitors and use it closed, right? It works pretty fine. Let me just show here that I have this web browser and I can move from screen to screen. You see that works pretty fine. It's very responsive. And now I can also use my software. Usually I use DaVinci Resolve with more than one screen. Here I have the main screen and then I can extend the monitors. Let's say here for example, I come to workspace and here I can have dual screen. So you see now that I have my main monitor here, and here I have my tools that I can use. And I can also extend like this. I can here back to workspace and use a video clean feed here to this monitor, for example, okay? Pretty easy to edit that way. I just look here for editing the video and I can have a clean feed here, okay? I can change to any monitor that I want here. Basically here you can come to your display here on the settings, and you see that I have here on displays the 3 monitors. So I can just come here and arrange them in a different situation. Here see that I can just select the monitor just to make sure the one that I'm using right now. And I can just move the monitors around here to different locations, different positions, right? And the best way for me is just like this, okay? I have my laptop here in the center and the 3 monitors here on the top. So when I move here, things around, it works pretty fine. See, when I move up, it extends to there, the first monitor, the second one, the third one. Super simple to use that way, okay? And it works pretty fine. I'll just show you more about the device itself. So let me just change to a different camera here. There we go. So here's the device. Let me just approach so you see better. Here's the front part, right? You have the power button, an LED here, so you see that's on. 2 USB-C ports with 10 gigabits per second. So you can connect the device here to load your videos, whatever you want to load to your computer. And you can also power a device. Basically here you have 18 watts to power a device, let's say a phone for example. And you have 3 USB-A ports. Those are fast ports, 10 gigabits per second each one. And here you have connection to a headphone and cards, micro SD and SD cards. Okay, so here's the front. And then back here, let me just turn this around. There we go. Then you see here that I have the connection for the power supply. It comes with the power supply. Here's a USB cable, USB-C cable that goes to your laptop. It comes with the cable as well. Another port here, USB-A, a LAN port so you can connect to your router if you want to. And here are the ports. You either use HDMI or DisplayPort. You see I have a total of 4 HDMI ports and 4 DisplayPorts. Okay, so just connect your cables, connect to your computer, and you're good to go. And here's again is the brand TobenOne. Super easy to use. You just connect, load the software, and it starts using. Okay, you can download the software from the internet. It's a free software. This display Link Manager and start using it, right? So I hope you like this one. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon.